County in north central Texas, northeastern Parker County in north central Texas, northern Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southeast of Freshburg to near Springtown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Plano, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Keller, Coppell, The Colony, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Corinth, Saginaw, Highland Village, Azle, Trophy Club, and Lake Dallas. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 481. Interstate 35W between mile markers 60 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 446 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for north central Texas. The current